Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our channel. So continuing our problem solving series and sequences and series, here I came up with the 78th question written on the screen. If total number of runs scored in n matches is n plus 1 by 4 times of 2n plus 1 minus n minus 2, where n is greater than 1, then the run scored in kth match are given by k times of 2 to the power n plus 1 minus k, where 1 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to n. They are asking us to find the value of n over here. So guys, sum of runs scored by somebody in n matches will be becoming what? Summation run scored by that person in the kth match and summation of that runs from k is equal to 1 to k is equal to n over here. And we do know the kth term of this progression. What is given to us? 2 to the power n plus 1 minus k is given to us. For k is equal to 1 to k is equal to, and it will be written by me, and multiplied by k is also there, my dear students. Okay, k multiplied by this thing. Now whatever is independent of k over here will be taken out of the summation. So what do we have as an independent of k over here? K times of 2 to the power minus k is dependent upon k, but the remaining thing 2 to the power n plus 1 is independent of k will be brought out of summation, and k is equal to 1 to k is equal to n will be written by us. So finally we'll be remaining up with this progression. So I would have to write the sum of this progression. So s will be becoming what? 1 times of 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 only, then 2 times of 2 to the power minus 2, that means 1 upon 2 square it will be, then 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 it will be, goes on up to nth term, n divided by 2 to the power n it will be. Now when s by 2 I'll be going to compute over here, so that will be becoming what? 1 by 2 square it will be, shifting terms by 1 and multiplying by 1 by 2. Then 2 upon 2 to the power 3 it will be, goes on up to n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power n it will be, plus n divided by 2 to the power n plus 1 it will be. Now subtracting these two equations, guys, it's an arithmetico-geometric progression. That's why I'm adopting that type of procedure we are knowing. Now shifting these two equations, subtracting these two equations, we'll be going to get the value of s upon 2 as 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon 2 cube goes on up to 1 divided by 2 to the power n minus n divided by 2 to the power n plus 1. So s by 2 means we have the value of s I want. So s will be becoming 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square goes on up to 1 upon 2 to the power n minus 1 plus n divided by minus n divided by 2 to the power n it will be, because I have multiplied with 2 throughout the expression. So that's why we are cancelling 1 2 from denominator of all the fractions. So s will be becoming what? A multiplied by r is what we are knowing, 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 in denominator minus n divided by 2 power n it will be. So s will be becoming 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. So that 1 by 2 will be written in denominator. So when it will be reciprocating, it will be coming in numerator, 2 times of minus n upon 2 to the power n. Now guys, I got the value of s. Along with that, what do I have? 2 to the power n plus 1 I have. So the final thing will be having 2 to the power n plus 1 multiplied by this thing. 2 to the power n plus 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n, and whole of it is like minus 2 to the minus n upon 2 to the power n, and this thing we have. Now let's multiply with 2 to the power n plus 1 throughout the expression. So it will be becoming what? 2 to the power n plus 2 it will be becoming, very first thing, minus 2 to the power n plus 1, 2 to the power n plus 2 divided by 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 2 it will be becoming, then minus 2 to n by 2 to the power n multiplied by 2 to the power n plus 1, that means 2 times of n it will be becoming, and the sum of runs scored by that person is given to us as n plus 1 by 4 2 to the power n plus 1 minus n minus 2. What it is given to us? N plus 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 to the power n plus 1 minus n minus 2. So guys, if I'll be going to get 2 as a common over here from the first bracket. So 2 times of 2 to the power n plus 1 minus n minus 2 will be becoming n plus 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 to the power n plus 1 minus n minus 2. And this thing will be going to get cancelled completely. So we'll be going to have what? 8 is equal to n plus 1. That means n is equal to 7. That means how many matches would have been played by that person? That many means number of matches he would have played would be 7 over here. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear student.